Today I have this Learn to Read First 200 Words Phonics Kit, and I received this one through Amazon Vine. So as a mom, anything that helps with learning, especially reading, is something I pay close attention to because it can either feel overwhelming for kids or actually make it enjoyable. What I like about this set is that it's very hands-on. So it's not just sitting down with a book. It actually means them getting involved in the process. So it comes with different pieces like word cards, a tray, small tools that help them break words down and sound them out, which is really helpful when they're learning how to read. I've noticed that when kids can see it, touch it, and actually interact with it, it makes a big difference compared to just trying to memorize things. It also works for different setups, so you can use it one-on-one, in small groups, or even just let them practice on their own for a bit. And it doesn't feel overwhelming because everything is broken down into simple steps, which helps build their confidence as they go. So really, for me, anything that makes learning feel more like play is always a win. Like overall, this is one of those tools tools that supports learning in a way that actually keeps kids engaged.